Hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. I hope you guys made money today. I made 21% in 21 minutes today, and I uploaded the video of the same in the market hours. You can go and watch my video where I took the trade, why I took the trade, and the levels that we had discussed in yesterday evening's video. Okay, so I hope your trading was good today and you have understood how the levels work beautifully today, and it would have saved you from the traps, okay, if you had followed my levels. I do a simple price action analysis, and these analysis help you to make money, to keep your losses simple, to protect your capital, and to be consistently profitable. Okay, all right, so if you have not watched my video which I uploaded earlier, or all the videos, please go and watch them. Okay, and if you like the content which I'm discussing, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell notification, and share it with your family and friends. And as I say, the more the sharing of the knowledge, the more educated and knowledgeable we will become. All right, so this is a community where I like to grow as much as possible, to educate as much as possible for understanding how the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels work for intraday purposes. Let's not waste any more time and understand how the market acted today and how the trading could be in tomorrow's session. What are the levels that we need to watch out for in tomorrow's session? All right, so as I begin with, as you know, that I always start with understanding what was the high and the low for Nifty. So in today's session, the high for the Nifty was 17,925 level. So I marked that level with the this red dash line, and the low for Nifty was 17,800 level. Yesterday I mentioned that this is a very important low, and I could this low has to be maintained, this low has to be protected unless this low is taken out. Okay, that is towards the downside, we will still see bulls coming back to the party. Okay, we never know when, but maybe tomorrow, or maybe on the expiry day. But for today, this level is protected, this level is safe, that is 17,800 level. So you have marked your high and the low. Now let's see what are the resistance and support levels. Now if you see, the price has bounced from this level, 17,800 level. So this level becomes very, very crucial. So this is our support level now, because you see yesterday and in today's session the price made a big move. We had marked this level, and we would have made a good trade if we had taken a long position here, because the risk to reward ratio was very small. So I entered a trade today in Bank Nifty, which will come to that in a short time. Till then, we'll see what is the analysis that we are looking at. So this is your level for tomorrow, which is very important, and I expect the price to hold on. I expect the price to be protected by the bulls. Okay, and to make a move higher, but I may be wrong, and I have been wrong many a times, because market humbles you, but the trick is to keep your losses small. So what are the levels we are looking at? We are looking at 17,800 to 17,820 levels as your support zone, which is a safe zone for the bulls. Any trade below this and a follow through will make the bulls much scared, and the bears will be back to the party. So this is the level that you need to watch out for. What is the other level that we are looking at? We are looking at this particular level. This level is still intact, the resistance level which we had discussed yesterday, and in the morning session this level behaved perfectly well. We had a short trade, then we had a long trade also in both sides of the market. So what are the level that you need to look out for? The level that you need to look out for is 17,880 level to 17,900 levels. Okay, and above this is your previous day. So this zone, unless these zones are taken up, okay, we might not be able to move easily towards the upside. But for now, if the market may follow through to this level in tomorrow's first part, okay, if it moves through, this level has to be taken on before the party starts with the bulls towards the upside. So this is the level you need to watch out for, 17,880 to 17,900 level. These levels are still intact, so we will leave these levels as it is. Okay, if the bulls are much stronger, these levels could be taken out in tomorrow or day after tomorrow's session. If in case we open below this level, okay, and we stay this level and the follow through comes, that is the price keeps going through, then we will see the bears making having a good day, having a good party, in the market. So the levels that we need to watch out for on Nifty is 17,800 to 17,820 levels. I expect the bulls to protect this level. So now the price is trading at 17,840 level. So if the market gaps down to this level, to the support level, we are not going to short immediately. We are going to look at a long position based on the price action or any kind of setup that you follow or the candlestick pattern that you follow. If the market opens a gap up to this level immediately at the start of the session, we will be looking to short the market only when the price confirms. See, the price confirmed here today in today's session with the red candle. So we need to have that kind of confirmation wherein the risk to reward is in your favor. If the risk to reward is not in your favor, we are not going to take a trade. Okay, so these are the levels that we are watching out for. If the market gaps up to this, to the previous day high or to this resistance zone, again we are going to look for a short position. Okay, in the second half, okay, I am not expecting the price to rise immediately and the bulls to come to the party at the start of the session, but I am expecting that to happen in the second session. Okay, I'm a bullish bias, but I will be looking at a short trade also if there is any opportunity in the mornings. Okay, so this is your Nifty trade for tomorrow. Let's see what's happening in Bank Nifty today, and I will tell you where I took the trade today. So Bank Nifty trade was initiated here. I had marked this level in yesterday's and I mentioned why this level is important. I took a trade here and I made a good 21% profit, that is in 21 minutes. So it was an excellent trade. All levels are discussed easily and the prices confirm those levels and we go and take a trade. So let's understand what happened with the high and the low in Bank Nifty today. The high on Bank Nifty today is 40,946 level, so I marked that with a dashed line. So I just move this level here. Okay, and the low for Nifty, Bank Nifty today is 40,508, which is very close to the psychological round number. So this is a very important level now for in tomorrow's session. As long as this level is protected by the bulls, we are going to see the buying to happen. If the price breaks this level and continues down move towards the downside, then bears are going to have a good day in the field tomorrow. All right, so these levels are still intact for tomorrow's session also. These levels will be your strong support levels. Okay, today's level, it played a strong support level, so tomorrow we are also expecting this levels to act as a strong support level, and this level is still intact. We are not going to do any changes here. You see how beautifully the resistance level worked out in today's session. We had marked this level in yesterday's session, in yesterday's video, and today there was a good trading opportunity, that is the short side, the long side and the long side. So all these levels were discussed and explained simply. Okay, so what are the levels you need to watch out for? This level is still intact, so we're going to leave the levels as it is. So these are the levels that we are looking at. So the price is trading now here around this level, so these levels will act as a support. So any trade around these levels, and if there is a long opportunity, we are going to take a long, as long as the risk to reward is in your favor. If we see a gap up to this level, or if there is a gap up somewhere to this level at 40,900 to 40,930 levels, okay, if there is gap up to these levels, we are going to look for a short. That's only during the early hours, okay, of the session. Later on we'll see the second half how the market works out. Okay, so this is your resistance zone, this is supply zone. We are not going to immediately short around this zone. I see another resistance zone here around 40,770 to 40,800 level, because you see here the price made, okay, the price made a high and the price came down from this particular level. So 40,770 to 40,800 levels will be another resistance zone here before the Bank Nifty breaks out towards the upside. So this level is still intact. We might see some kind of profit booking. If the price comes to this level, you might see a profit booking happening around this particular zone. So what are the levels we are going to watch out for? If there is a resistance, if there is a gap up to this level or to this level here, these are your resistance zones, and you know why these are resistance zones. We are not going to immediately short long just because there is a gap up. It will be a kind of a trap. We are going to look for a short position. If the price is opening flat around this zone, and if there is any kind of buying signal, we could looking at buying only when the risk to reward is in your favor. All right, so I hope these levels are help to you guys. Okay, please leave your comment, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in tomorrow's trading session, and all the best. Thank you.